एक दिवसीय राष्ट्रीय वेबिनारचं आयोजन करण्यात आलेलं आहे। या वेबिनारच्या निमित्तानं सहभागी झालेल्या सर्व मान्यवरांचं मी आमचे सोलापूर जिल्हा समाजसेवा मंडळ व संतोष भीमराव पाटील कला वाणिज्य विज्ञान महाविद्यालय मंद्रुप यांच्या वतीनं सर्वांचंच या ठिकाणी सहर्ष स्वागत करतो। आज एक दिवसीय राष्ट्रीय वेबिनारचा विषय डेव्हलपिंग द लाईफ स्किल्स अँड प्रिव्हेंटिंग कोविड-19 थ्रू स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटीज। सध्या अगदी फेब्रुवारी मार्च महिन्यापासून कोरोना ही महामारी अख्ख्या जगभर थैमान घातलेला आहे, सर्वांना ज्ञात आहे। या कोरोना महामारीवर मात करण्यासाठी आणि आपलं जीवन कौशल्य विकसित करण्यासाठी क्रीडा उपक्रमाच्या माध्यमातून, खेळाच्या माध्यमातून हे जीवन कौशल्य कसे विकसित करता येईल आणि कोविड-19 ला कशा पद्धतीने प्रतिबंध करता येईल या उदात्त हेतूनं आज या ठिकाणी हे एक दिवसीय राष्ट्रीय वेबिनार या ठिकाणी संपन्न होत आहे। या निमित्तानं पुन्हा एकदा सर्वांचं मी या ठिकाणी सहर्ष स्वागत करतो आणि आजच्या या कार्यक्रमाचं प्रास्ताविक आमच्या महाविद्यालयाचे शारीरिक शिक्षण संचालक डॉक्टर एस तोरवी सर यांना विनंती करतो की आपण प्रास्ताविक आणि आजच्या सर्व मान्यवरांचं स्वागत करावं। डॉक्टर तोरवी सर। डॉक्टर तोरवी सर। क्रीडा उपक्रमांच्या माध्यमातून जीवन कौशल्य विकसित करणे आणि कोविड-19 ला प्रतिबंध करणे याविषयी वेबिनार या ठिकाणी सुरू झालेलं आहे। पुन्हा एकदा सर्वांचं सहर्ष स्वागत करतो आणि आमच्या महाविद्यालयाचे शारीरिक शिक्षण संचालक डॉक्टर एस तोरवी सर यांना विनंती करतो की आपण आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचं प्रास्ताविक करावं आणि इतर सर्व मान्यवरांचं स्वागत करावं। डॉक्टर तोरवी सर। इथे या। Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome my PhD guide and today's keynote speaker Dr. Venkatesh Wangwar sir, today's resource person Dr. Abhijit Jagtap sir, today's the chairperson of the webinar our dynamic principal Dr. B.M. Bhanje sir, the sports directors, director of physical education, coaches, sports person, teachers, students and all other delegates. We know that the whole world is battling the pandemic of COVID-19. It is said that prevention is better than cure, and our strong immunity only will prevent this disease, and sports activities surely boost our immunity. Moreover, sports teaches us many life skills. Today's keynote speaker, the resource person and the chairperson will speak about it in detail. This is our aim behind organizing this webinar. I will not take your much time. I once again welcome you all to the webinar. Thank you. धन्यवाद तोरवी सर। कोविड-19 च्या माध्यमातून जे काही जगभर महामारी पसरलेली आहे, घातक विषाणूची महामारी पसरलेली आहे, त्याला खऱ्या अर्थानं प्रतिबंध करण्यासाठी तुमच्या केलाच आहे ते म्हणजे क्रीडा उपक्रमाच्या माध्यमातून जीवन कौशल्य कसे विकसित करता येईल हा एक हेतू आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचा उद्देश प्रास्ताविकाच्या रूपानं डॉक्टर तोरवे सर यांनी सांगितलं आणि सर्वांचं या ठिकाणी स्वागत केलं. पुन्हा एकदा सर्वांचं मनपूर्वक स्वागत करून आजच्या कार्यक्रमासाठी लाभलेले
हा हॅलो हॅलो
आदर हा बोला मॅडम. हा पोर मॅडम सुरू करा.
हो हॅलो सर, आवाज येतोय?
आवाज सांगा परत एकदा. हा ओके. हा आवाज येतोय मॅडम.
संतोष
येतोय मॅडम.
संतोष भीमराव पाटील आर्ट्स कॉमर्स आणि सायन्स कॉलेजच्या वतीने आज आमच्या महाविद्यालयातील जिमखाना विभाग व IQSC च्या वतीने डेव्हलपिंग द लाईफ स्किल्स अँड प्रिव्हेंटिंग COVID-19 थ्रू स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटीज या विषयावरील एक दिवसीय राष्ट्रीय वेबिनारमध्ये सहभागी झालेल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत. आज या वेबिनारसाठी जे प्रमुख वक्ते आपल्याला लाभलेले आहेत त्यांचं मी थोडक्यात परिचय करून देते. सरांचं पूर्ण नाव आहे डॉक्टर व्यंकट संतराम वांगवाड. ते मूळचे आनेदवाडी तालुका चाकूर जिल्हा सोलापूर येथील आहेत. त्यांचं एकूण 45 वर्षाचा या शारीरिक शिक्षण विभागामध्ये अनुभव आहे. त्यांची शैक्षणिक पात्रता BA, MAd, MPE, MPhil, PhD, NIS, DIP आणि विशेष म्हणजे सरांनी स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिझम मध्ये डिप्लोमा केलेला आहे. सरांशी सोलापूरशी देखील नाळ जोडलेली आहे. ते सोलापूर येथील शारीरिक शिक्षण महाविद्यालय येथे 10 वर्ष प्राचार्य पद म्हणून देखील त्यांनी भूषवलेला आहे. सरांनी टेनिस व्हॉलीबॉल असोसिएशनचे संस्थापक अध्यक्ष म्हणून काम करत आहेत. विशेष महाराष्ट्र स्तरावरील ॲथलेटिक्स, टेबल टेनिस, व्हॉलीबॉल कोच म्हणून त्यांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये काम केलेलं आहे. त्यांच्या ज्या खेळ आहेत, रुची आहे ज्या खेळांमध्ये, त्यामध्ये विशेष म्हणजे व्हॉलीबॉल, हॉकी, टेबल टेनिस, ॲथलेटिक्स या गेम्सचा त्यांचा समावेश होतो. सरांनी आतापर्यंत 10 शिवछत्रपती अवॉर्डींना कोचिंग केलेलं आहे. वेगवेगळ्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावरील स्पर्धेमध्ये सरांनी सहभाग नोंदवलेला आहे. त्यामध्ये विशेष म्हणजे 1988 ला सेऊल येथे झालेल्या ऑलिम्पिक स्पर्धेमध्ये त्यांनी सहभाग नोंदवलेला आहे. त्याचबरोबर सिडनी येथे 2000 साली झालेल्या ऑलिम्पिक स्पर्धेमध्ये देखील सरांनी सहभाग नोंदवलेला आहे. विशेष बाब म्हणजे 2004 साली इंटरनॅशनल ट्रॅडिशनल गेम्स फेस्टिवल बँकॉक येथे भरलेला असताना त्यांनी भारतातील वेगवेगळ्या खेळांचं प्रदर्शन तिथे सादर केलेलं आहे. त्याचबरोबर नेपाळ, भूतान, बँकॉक, श्रीलंका अशा वेगवेगळ्या देशातील आंतरराष्ट्रीय गेम्समध्ये सरांनी सहभाग नोंदवलेला आहे. वेगवेगळ्या संघटनेवरती सरांचं अध्यक्षस्थान आहे. त्यामध्ये विशेष करून टेनिस व्हॉलीबॉल फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियाचे ते संस्थापक अध्यक्ष आहेत. महाराष्ट्र टेनिस व्हॉलीबॉल संघटनेचे देखील ते अध्यक्ष आहेत. त्याचबरोबर क्रीडा साहित्य संशोधन परिषदेचे ते अध्यक्ष आहेत. या कार्यासोबतच सरांनी विपुल असं ग्रंथलेखन केलेलं आहे. त्यामध्ये काही ग्रंथांचा मी इथे उल्लेख करेन. शारीरिक शिक्षण, मापन आणि मूल्यमापन हे पुस्तक त्यांनी लिहिलेलं आहे. कोचिंग ऑप्टिशियन्स गेम स्पोर्ट्स, त्याचबरोबर हँडबॉल कसा खेळावा, टेनिस व्हॉलीबॉलची नियमावली काय आहे, या वेगवेगळ्या विषयांवरती त्यांनी ग्रंथलेखन केलेलं आहे. एका नियतकालिकाचं देखील ते संपादन करतायत, प्रकाशक आहेत. क्रीडा तंत्र हे त्यांचं नियतकालिक आहे. त्याचबरोबर 25च्या वर त्यांनी लेख प्रकाशित केलेला आहे. संशोधन लेख आहेत. स्वतः संशोधन केलेले आणि संशोधकांना मार्गदर्शन करून अनेक प्रकारचे संशोधन लेख त्यांचे प्रसिद्ध आहेत. तर सर फक्त खेळातच नाहीत तर लेखन कार्यात देखील मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये विपुल त्यांचं कार्य आहे. तर अशा पद्धतीने एकूण अष्टपैलू आणि दांडगा अनुभव असलेले वांगवाड सर आज आम्हाला प्रमुख वक्ते म्हणून लाभलेले आहेत. एवढासा परिचय करून मी इथं थांबते. धन्यवाद. मोरे सर. हॅलो मोरे सर.
धन्यवाद मॅडम. उत्कृष्ट. हा, ओके, धन्यवाद मॅडम. उत्कृष्ट कोच आणि विविध क्रीडा क्षेत्रामध्ये लिहिलेली पुस्तकं आणि चालवत असलेले नियतकालिक असं सर्वांग परिपूर्ण असलेले व्यक्तिमत्व आज आपल्याला मार्गदर्शक म्हणून लाभलेलं आहे. मी अतिथी परिचयानंतर मी आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचे प्रमुख मार्गदर्शक आदरणीय डॉक्टर व्यंकट वांगवाड सर यांना विनंती करतो की आपण मार्गदर्शनाला सुरुवात करावी. आदरणीय डॉक्टर व्यंकट वांगवाड सर.
Thank you, madam. You have introduced to me a lot because this is not time to introduce a
सरांना
lot.
विनंती करतो की आपण मार्गदर्शन करायला सुरुवात करावी. सर
आवाज येतोय का सर माझा? हा सर.
आवाज येतोय सर.
Yes, yes.
आवाज येतोय.
First of all, I may not forget that I congratulate this college, Principal Bhanje sir, Dr. Torvi sir, who has selected a very interesting and burning topic in the sports field and medicine field. Because most of the time, our sports persons and sports experts may not look towards the common man, common society, how the benefit will get the common person through sports. So that once again I congratulate to all these organizers that they have selected the topic which is developing the life skill through sports and prevent the COVID-19, because these are the burning problem in whole world. So, so many participants That also I have to congratulate those who have been participated in this national webinar, especially from Gujarat. Our Dr. P. Lakshmi has been joined. I congratulate to him and welcome him. Uh, Same way, Dr. Wagh, Mansukh Wagh from Gujarat, from Nainital, one of the professor from university, he has also participated. Like this way, so many experts from sports field has been participated. I welcome on behalf of this organizer at this occasion. Now let us come to our main topic, that is developing the life skill through sports activity to prevent the pandemic type of diseases. In this topic, two, three things are there. One is sports activity and its benefit to a common person, common man. The common man who may be those, they are working in the different various fields, and how the sports skill. I will explain all these, the definition of the skill, sports skill, and the techniques, and common individual work technique. I will explain in detail later on. But at the time of the introduction of the topic, I am telling that three things have been combined here. The organizer have been included the beneficiary who are the common man, not only students, small student, younger student, but all common, uh, the age person also. This is the burning problem, today's situation, today's world, not only in the India, but all over the world. This is the burning topic. But uh, unfortunately, in India, our sports experts, sports doctors, also, they are not looking after the common person through sports. How the benefits will get the common person by sports. They are thinking, they are discussing always only about the younger person, younger children, and towards the competition and medals. Competition and medals means what will be the percentage of the population? Hardly 5%. And that's why nobody is thinking about the benefits of common man, common person. That benefit may be the health benefit, maybe the work benefit, maybe the other efficiency benefits of the person. And that's why uh, I appreciate this topic of this organizer, this college. They have thought so many things and they have included in this discussion uh, from this topic. So uh, once again, I welcome to all my friends, all experts, and all organizers. Uh, Now let us come to the main topic and their themes of the topic. The theme is developing the life skill. What is meant by life skill? How many things about the life skill? What is the life skill? Life skill means there are two types of life things, according to me. Maybe right or wrong. But this is my opinion that life skills mean any common person is working in different various fields, and that how he has performed that work, it may come under the life skill. Works means he has to do something, some activity, and that comes the life skill. And who is having the efficient skill to work, to have the efficiency, proficiency on that work, that means that movement, that skill, he will work a super. He may have super work. This is the one type of life skill, according to me. We can give the lot of hundreds of examples of this life skill. I will give 2, 3 examples of life skill. A worker is working in the industry, maybe turner, fitter, whatever it may be. He must have that skill to work, to do the movement. By that movement, he has to perform that work. That is also life skill. That is also life skill. A person is working in office on the computer. For computer, he must have efficiency on the finger and sitting capacity and present through computer that machine efficiently that work. That is also life skill. So these are the things of life skill. This is one type. Any field. I will give one of our example. Teachers are teaching. Their vocabulary, explaining skill is must. But he has to stand up to 1 hour, 2 hour. He must stand, no. He must have that ability. And he must have that much presentation to him. That is also life skill. So these are the one type of life skill. Another type of life skill means the skills which are prevent the injuries, prevent the health, sometimes at the occasion. I will give so many examples of that. Suppose I am driving. Unfortunately, some accident was there and fall down from that vehicle away. At that time, if he is having the rolling skill, how to land, then he will prevent himself. This is also life skill. This is also life skill. Same way, day-to-day life work in home, in society, that time he must have to perform that activity with efficient manner. Maybe bending, maybe lifting, maybe something, maybe jumping, maybe fall down. So these are the preventing health, preventing injuries, preventing the life of the skill of common man. Common man, each and every man, he must have the skill. Then only he will prevent from injuries. Dr. Jagtap will agree with this my point. So these are the another type of life skill. And these skills and their ability develop through sports activity, according to me and according to my experience. According to my experience, sports field, that means any sport, any type of sport, different sports activity have different uh, the moment, different the technique. According to that technique, this skill will be developed in that person. In that person, not only sportsman must have the develop. There is no doubt, but they are participating competition. But the common man is working throughout the life in a society for his work. He must have also developed no his life skill. Then only he survive in life without any getting the harmless injuries and automatically the health. So this is the another type of life skill according to me. And these two types of life skill, we should think, we should discuss we should implement, we should develop through different sports activity. I already said that the different sports activity have different movement, different techniques. According to that technique and movement, the particular skills, particular movement, particular ability will be developed in that person. Apart from sports, once he may come in the society for a particular work, he must have that ability, he must have developed that type of skill to himself to prevent the injuries, prevent some other disturbances, and prevent his life. I already given the example of driving. This occasion may not come always, but in everybody's life, and unfortunately, sometimes this occasion may arise in him. That time, he must have these skills in him. Then only he will avoid those accidents, avoid those things, and he prevent himself for his family, for his own body, and for his own society, own institution where he is working. So these are the two types of life skill. The another thing the organizer have been combined that he they have joined this thing, this concept to the diseases. And all doctors will may agree with this point. There is a ultimate way to prevent and to come out from that, the exercise, sports activity. I will give one of my own example that I am running 71 years age. From that age up to this age, I am performing the always any type of sports activity, and that's why I have never been hospitalized in my whole life. In my whole life, this is the gain of sports to me. To me, in this pandemic situation also, I am moving, I am working, I am playing. The any disease have not touched to me, not touching me. This is the benefit of sports activity for a common person, common man. So these are the things. I will give one of the example of the life skill. Life skill that is a industrialist, a person industrialist. Industrialist means a rich person. He may have the all servants to help him, not only the in life, but in home, in wearing the cloth also. Wearing the cloth also. If he is wearing the coat, the person will come and he put his hand in his coat. And that's why he has not developed the some physical activity, yet not physical ability. But one day what happened? He was traveling with his driver somewhere, and unfortunately his car has been damaged. Now what to do? Somebody, his colleague says that let us go up to there by bus, and suddenly the bus came. They get in the bus, but while getting, he cannot catch that handle to climb over the steps of the bus. And that time, his colleagues has been push him inside. Then only he get inside. After getting inside, there was no seat vacant in bus. Now they have to stand, but to stand and maintain the balance, he has to catch the handle which is on top in the bus. But his hand cannot be raised to catch the handle. And that's why when bus starts, he falls so many times. He cannot maintain the balance also. This is the life skills here. These are the life skill. He may be an industrialist. He may be the teacher. He may be a businessman. They must have the life skill to survive in the society of his body, of his life. So these are the life skill. So I have given the explanation of life skill and examples of life skill. Now let us come to how the sports can develop the life skill, and that sports person who has been perform the sports not for competition but always throughout the life, how he can avoid the diseases. This concept may be explained more than me by Dr. Jagtap, even though I will explain the sports activity and their skill. Now, I will give the definition of the life skill. Life skills are performing the activity, that means doing the work of any field throughout the body part with or without apparatus or with machine by a easy manner within a minimum time without getting injury throughout his lifetime. This is the life definition of life skill according to me. Maybe right or wrong, you may decide. So this is the life skill. But for this life skill, you must have developed the motor skill in his body. Motor skill. We always discuss about the motor skill in relation to sports and sports performance. That is things. All sportsmen, all teachers, everybody knows according to the motor skill in relation to sports performance. But I want to say that these motor skills should be developed a common person also for his work, as per this definition, for his work in any field. Any field. The motor skill must have developed in a person, in an individual, then only he will work efficiently, perfectly in his field, in his office, in his industry. So, motor skills, there are so many motor skills which are useful and applicable in a day-to-day life to a person. Not only sports person, but common person. So, motor skills, that means movement skill. You may say movement skill. In other way, it is called the movement coordination of all parts and all organisms of the body to perform that movement or that activity. This is called motor skill. Motor skills, motor means movement. Movement by hand, hand to some another part, by hand to some apparatus, some machine. So this movement coordination should be sufficiently developed in a person to perform that movement, that activity, that work. So this is called the motor movement. And motor movements, unless and until motor movement of a person, he cannot work on machine also. For machine also, that motor movement must be developed. And the ultimate way to develop the motor skill is the sports, according to me. sports activity can develop the motor skill within a particular age. After over age also can develop, but minimum, little manner. But the actual age to develop the motor skill is the developing age of a person. That means from bornhood, childhood to up to the developing age. In that period, all motor activities by different manner, that is different sports, you can develop. And that motor skill, develop of the motor skill will be useful in future life of a common man. Common man. This way, you have to think about the motor skill. And that's why we thinkers from sports, philosophers, we are urging to the government, society that you implement the sports activity at the school age and college age. Then only the common person of the India society will develop and he may work efficiently in future life in any field. And the benefit of this, the production of the India society will be like anything double, according to me. Double. If the efficient work will be there, efficiency of the work will be there, the work will be double definitely. So that's why motor skill of development of motor skill is the way, is the sports activity. Unless and until sports activity cannot be developed the motor skill of the individual. There is no injection. Dr. Jagtap will agree with me. Is there any injection, tonic, tablet to develop the motor skill? No. At this age, no. Over age also, no. To develop the motor skill. Motor skill should be developed through sports activity. And once motor skill will be developed in a body of that individual, it is beneficiary. All his organs and system will be efficiently work and they will resist to any outside things, maybe disease, maybe germs, maybe anything. Of course, for that you must have the other parameters also, that is cleanness, like this, discipline. So many things are there. But main thing is to develop the motor skill, and through that motor skill and efficiency, you have to prevent any type of disease. Any type of disease. This is my experience. This is not from some book. My experience tells this. And that's why development, the way of development of motor skill and all skill, life skill also and the working skill also, that should be developed through sports activity. एक काले पत्थर की व्हाइट रेग है हमारे अपने बोली भाषा में. You go, whatever your development may be there in medicine field, any other field, in mechanism, in machinery, but as an individual, to survive without any disturbances, without any diseases, you must have developed your efficiency of your organs, organism, systems, and it will work for your day-to-day life work, maybe the work in any field. So these are the things. This is the concept of life skill, according to me. According to me, for in relation to disease, I will give not story. One example. Example. That is, sorry, Dr. Jagtap, whatever story I am telling, you will blame me. But this is not blame. This is the happen in society. That story is one of the a person, he was very ill due to some a disease, and he went so many doctors in throughout the world, but it is this that his disease has not been cured. But he was problem due to that disease. He was not cope with that problems, that what do you call pains. And one day he decided, let us have a society. Let us, I must society. What is use of to survive in this situation? And he went on top, a top that somewhere top, and he was going to jump, fall down, and he wanted to suicide. Like a person was moving from that there. He asked to him, "Hey, what are you doing on the top?" He said, "No, sir, I have no that willing to live in this world because I cannot go up this my problems paining due to this disease." He asked, "Did you go to Dr. Jagtap?" He said, "No." Went. He took the name of the American doctor. He said, "Go." I went to all doctors from whole world, but nobody has cure to me. Nobody has cure to me. That moving person request him, "Can you listen me before landing on the floor? You listen me. This is my request. You come down." And he suggests that if you want to die, suicide, you suicide. Whatever I am telling, through that way. He asked him to run, run, run. And through run, he may fall, you may fall, but you try to suicide through running. He listened that illness person, the patient. He tried. One day, he run, he fall down, again come back. He said that, tomorrow you try. This way, he tried day and day, and his efficiency has been improved like this, and his disease has been disappeared. He like a healthy person after some time, some days, due to exercise. Due to exercise. So, this is not story, this is the fact. This is the fact. This way, we can defeat, we can overcome the any disease problems through sports activity. Sorry, Dr. Jagtap, you may not agree with this point. Another example I will give you. This is held in my life. That example is one of my relative, lady, aged lady. He was having knee trouble. Knee trouble. He moved around all over the doctors from all over the world. But she is not satisfied. His problem has been not solved of the knee. One day, she asked me to, "Sir, what to do for this problem? This is a knee problem." I told her, to her, that lady, she was my auntie like this. I told to her, "Ma'am, just you go in Pune, one of the doctor is there. He has no the big building, no medicine, nothing. And his name is Dr. Sharan Pani. He is working since last 25 years in Pune. This way, that lady went. So many goes to, after having so many hospitals, so many doctors, and lastly, the patient come to that Dr. Sharan Pani. That lady goes, went him, and doctor said, "Doctor have no stethoscope, nothing. His test also, the oral test, physical test. Where is paining? What is pain problem? He asks this way. And then after he suggests some exercise. And through that exercise, that problem of that patient disappears. This is the fact. Today's life, today's world. Doctor might know his name, Dr. Sharangpani. Dr. Sharangpani. He's done the diploma. He's MD, doctor. But after that, he completed the sports journalism in Germany. And after coming back, he works this way for common person, not only sports person, for common person also. So this way, I have also cured so many patients of knee problem, the back problem, the trunk problem, like this way. Because this body of a man is the natural. The natural things will cure of him, of us. This is the way. Same way, nowadays, the Ayurveda has come, no, this new concept. And people are going towards that. Same way, the exercise will cure any disease, which can be cured through activity, through movement, through exercise. Some problems are like this. A person have injured, deadly injured, he must have go for operation to have stitching like this. That I may agree in medicine field. But medicine field is coming towards, divert towards this way, exercise. Exercise the only way to prevent the disease, any disease, pandemic type of disease. Pandemic type of disease is very easy, according to me, to prevent. Same way, you can prevent the COVID-19 also through exercise. As I said, since from 7 months, I never left the performing exercise. I perform the exercise. Playing is difficult. Even though I am playing with small younger boys in my society with ball. So these are the concept of preventing diseases and performing the work efficiently, a common person in society, not only for sportsmen. Sportsmen have to take much more efforts to compete in Olympic level or somewhere, some of the competition. But common person must perform the activity, not in that during that developing age, but at this age also. Then only you can overcome some your disease problems or physical problems. This way. So this is the concept of this topic today. So I am very happy that our Dr. Bhanje and my friend Torvi has given the opportunity to discuss, to share on this topic with all of you. So once again, I thanks this institution, Dr. Bhanje sir, and all other my friends, my colleagues, those who have been participated in this national webinar. For your convenience, I may say that I have no confirm, but from London also, one of the lady has to participate. I do not know. I did not recognize whether she has been participating. From Singapore, one of my students from Singapore, she was also wanted to participate in this. London, Germany, Iran, from so many countries, some of the participants were willing to participate. Whether they have been willing join or not, I could not recognize. So sorry for those people, those who have been participated and I have not recognized to them. Very sorry. Sorry, Dr. Jagtap. I maybe talk have much more about over to your medicine field. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you, Wangwar sir.
Dr. Santosh Mane sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. आदरणीय डॉक्टर वांगवार सर यांनी आपल्या उगवत्या शैलीतून कोविड-19 प्रतिबंध करण्यासाठी आणि जीवन कौशल्य विकसित करण्यासाठी खेळाचे किती महत्व आहे, स्पोर्ट ऍक्टिव्हिटीचे किती महत्व आहे हे आपल्याला सविस्तरपणे पटवून दिलेलं आहे. त्याने एक ठाम विश्वास असा व्यक्त केला की जे आजार दवाखान्यात बरे झाले नाहीत ते खेळाच्या माध्यमातून, क्रीडाच्या माध्यमातून, स्पोर्ट ऍक्टिव्हिटीच्या माध्यमातून आणि नियमित आणि रोज करणाऱ्या व्यायामाच्या माध्यमातून आणि योगासनाच्या माध्यमातून कमी होतात हा एक विश्वास त्यांनी व्यक्त केला. हे अतिशय मोलाचं मार्गदर्शन त्यांनी या ठिकाणी केलं आणि त्यांनी जाताना सांगितलं की कोरोना देखील याला अपवाद नाही. त्यामुळं आपण अशी आशा करूया की तुम्हाला चांगलं माहिती आहे कोविड सेंटरला सुद्धा व्यायामाचे तासभर व्यायाम घेतात, योगासनं करून घेतात. त्यामुळे ते एक प्रकारे कोरोना देखील याला अपवाद नाही. त्यामुळं व्यायाम करणं किती महत्वाचं आहे, योगासन करणं किती महत्वाचं आहे हे आदरणीय वांगवार सरांनी सांगितलं. अतिशय मौलिक मार्गदर्शन केलं. त्याबद्दल महाविद्यालयाच्या वतीनं आणि जिमखाना विभागाच्या वतीनं मी आदरणीय वांगवार सरांचं मनपूर्वक आभार मानतो, धन्यवाद देतो. आणि यानंतर दुसरे